welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable GodMode in Windows 10. Yes, that is correct, you can enable a folder to display all the admin controls you can use within Windows 10. Unfortunately, it doesn't give us any hidden access to extra admin controls, but it's still pretty awesome. To start off with, all you need to do is right click on your desktop and go down to New and click on to Folder. You now need to copy the code that's in the description below and go Control and V on the new folder. You now need to hit enter and you will now have an icon that looks like this. If you now open up this folder, you will see a massive list of all the admin tools we can access, and as you can see there is a massive list of them. And that is basically it. It just makes life a lot easier because you can access all the admin tools in one location. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.